setting out once more for Alesund to film beautiful Norway. This time in 4K. Wow. And a little apprehensive. It's Friday and I only have until Monday, and Siri tells me I'm getting a narrow window of sunshine. The rain of England soon giving way to the snow of Norway. Norwegian Air is very smart. No free food, but free Wi-Fi. After a 2-hour flight, we descend into Alesund. Very happy to be in Norway again, and right on time. My old friend Gunnar met me, and we were soon on our way to his home in Volda. Our final destination today is Flåm, and that's about 6 hours drive. Just in time for the ferry. Not very busy today. I have to admit, as a tourist anyway, to enjoying the ferry rides, getting a break from the road, getting a coffee, stretching our legs, and even getting a chance to film. Then along the fjords to Volda. The clouds not clearing, but with the expectation of sun appearing before nightfall. We made good time to Volda, where we stopped off at Gunnar's beautiful home for a snack. Volda is a beautiful town in western Norway, and his home has a spectacular view over the fjord and the mountains beyond. This is a traditional Norwegian home, and Gunnar actually built it himself. Norway has severe winters. In summer, it never gets dark. In winter, there's only about 6 hours of daylight, and it's very cold. Gunnar therefore used timber 4 inches thick, with insulation and cladding. In Norway, double and even triple glazing completes the job. I really love the way his home is decorated in the traditional style. The lighting and colors are warm. It certainly has a very cozy feel to it. And I can imagine on cold, dark winter nights, it's a great place of refuge. The walls, floor, ceiling, and even the doors are all pine wood. Very beautiful. A wood stove on the left of the TV is actually the main source of heating, though Gunnar claimed it was actually the light bulbs. The insulation is so good. So Gunnar prepared a quick snack while I continued to film. The garden was equally beautiful, a Norwegian country garden. The views, not only breathtaking, but clear skies, little pollution here. Most of Norway's electricity is produced by rivers and waterfalls, which is clean. We were soon back on our journey to Flåm. It's 7:15 in the evening, and it will take us about 4 hours to reach there. But the good news is that Gunnar has chosen a route for us that skirts the fjords. And even at this late hour, I'm able to enjoy the beauty of Norway. It's difficult to imagine that I only left London 6 hours ago, and here I am in the middle of June, driving through the Norwegian countryside, snow-capped mountains in the distance, and great views over the fjords. Such a contrast to my home in Hong Kong, where, incidentally, I met Gunnar and his family about 30 years ago. It was a real treat to be in the middle of nature, and we had views like these all the way. Then disaster struck. Just as we were arriving, the barrier for the ferry was coming down, and we missed the ferry by 10 seconds. We watched it leave, but decided to make the best of the situation by having a snack. Soon the ferry arrived back, and we continued our journey, 1 hour late. By now, the evening mist was floating through the valleys. At midnight, we reached Flåm, another great day in Norway. Next on Western Norway, a visit to beautiful Flåm, and to ride the amazing and world-renowned Flam Mountain Railway. An incredible journey, the steepest railway in Europe, the third most visited tourist attraction in Norway. National Geographic Traveler magazine named it as number 6 of the best train journeys in Europe, and Lonely Planet named it as the best train journey in the world in 2014. One of the best trips I ever took.
Fantastic! Really something.
Don't miss it.